Alright, what is going on, everybody? It's Tristan here, and today it's 10 a.m. right now, and actually what I'm going to be doing for you guys is a little Snkrs live cop. Hopefully I will hit today and be able to show you guys a dub, but nothing guaranteed since I did have some pretty good success in the last Snkrs shock drop. So if I was to hit today, I'd be pretty lucky, but you want to check out my Instagrams, anything like that down below. We got a couple things in this video, a little unboxing I'm doing with grailcaviar, shout out them as always, and then, you know, basically this that we just got right here, this little live cop, which I'm going to be doing off my phone and computer. So I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm going to start the live cop on my phone so y'all can see that, and the one on my computer is already started so you guys can see my Instagrams on my screen and all that. But let's kind of get into it. So really just kind of starting on the live cop, you can see again it is a draw, so I have plenty of time to enter in this. And really how it's going to work, I'm going to enter on my phone first since that's going to be the one that really sticks. I don't know why, it's just kind of whenever I enter on my phone, that one tends to actually not have any errors, which is just kind of odd to me because, you know, my computer, it always kind of makes me reset the entry or redo it or something like that, which is just confusing. But whenever I go right here to my phone, right, it has no problems. It'll enter me in the draw immediately. And I think that just has something to do overall with how the Snkrs app is. I think it's just, you know, it's not, it's an app. It's not a, you know, computer application. So the reason that it's easier to enter on something like a phone is because it's, you know, actually realistic to enter there because it's an app and not something that's, you know, designed for your computer. But just submitted it on my computer, about to submit it on my phone right here. I'm going to be shipping this to my home address in Charlotte because I just don't trust getting packages here in Charleston. I've had too many stolen, thousands of dollars worth of stuff. So whenever I mail them back home, it's, you know, a lot safer, a better bet, at least, to say the least. And I think, yeah, hopefully the screen recording is going and working, but there we go. It joined right there. There we go, submitted. So that's nice to see. And then we finally got through here on my phone, around 740 left in the draw here. And I have another account, of course, on my computer. I love this one account that I have right here. Always trying this one. I'm going to go for an 11.5. I know that's a hard size to hit on, but why not? You know, let's just at least give it a shot. I think that's something that's kind of fun to do right there. So submitted there. Going to wait till it says that. Okay, finally went through on my phone drawing right here. And I know there's also some little kid sizes for the Philly SBs, so I'm definitely going to be entering in those. Going to try and go for a 3Y. And sorry for the background noise. Since 8 a.m. this morning, and it's loading through in the phone run right now. Of course, I probably have this blurred since, you know, it's all my personal info, so I'm not going to be showing that, but I am entering in the kid sizes for this one. And I'm actually, yeah, let's see if this one goes through. Okay, it actually went through right there. Same with the phone one. So I think with our phone, we're done entering right there. Don't really need to, you know, continue the screen recording. Since I'm not entering for the dunk high, just kind of, I'm gonna passonate. It's nice, but not my style, so just gonna end that phone screen recording right there. And entered on majority of my computer accounts. I mean, this is actually one of the cleaner things I've seen. The fact that it's saying submitted and not giving me like any problems, this is not common for me. Usually it will load through and be like, hey, you know, this isn't working out or something like that. And it's not common to me to see this, so I'm gonna try some other accounts. I got a lot of computer accounts, so why not? Here we are. Let's just go for a size 11. Why not? I feel like that's a fair thing to say. I'm just gonna, you know, keep showing y'all that me entering a couple more accounts, and then after that I'll probably just, you know, be done, and we'll move on to the next part of this video since this is a two-part video, and I'll let you guys know if I have success. But we're just gonna be, you know, continuing to enter in accounts just like I am right now. And of course you can see now we're having the problem that I'm discussing where it's not showing it as submitted. So of course I can always do this, just go for a different size. One time I did this where I just started spamming sizes on an account and just continuing to submit order every second, and I actually did hit. That's how I hit my Travis fragments actually on my other account that I was showing y'all. I can't like really specify it, but yeah. So I think I'm just gonna enter in one more account, and then yeah, I'll check up back with you guys and we'll see how this is doing. Okay, so right now checking Snkrs results, things like that. As again, I expected on my phone account. I didn't hit on the adult sizes, which I can show you all that right now. You can see submission not selected. And then when I click X, actually it won't show it, but I didn't hit for the, you know, big kid sizes either. Pretty expected stuff. Again, this is the account that I hit on the Bart SB shock drop on, so if I'd hit back-to-back drops, that would have been surprising, especially for a release as popular as this one. The Philly SB was very, very hyped up, and looking at my computer accounts right now, again, it's looking like I pretty much didn't hit. I'm gonna have to at least get some sort of I can check my bank account right now to see if I got any sort of like, you know, charge, which if I got a charge then I hit somewhere, so let's just see that. And actually it looks like I did hit on an adult pair. I have a charge right here for $125.35 from Nike.com, so I'm gonna try and figure out what account that was, but we did hit today, and I will show you all that dub. This is sick. I did not expect this. I want to know if it's this account right here. No, it's not my common account, so I hit on an account that I've never hit on. Let's see which account that is. All right, so I'm gonna X out that account. What account did I hit on? I don't know where I hit, and I know it's not the big kid sizes because the retail was $90, $20 on those, so I need to figure out where I took my dub. All right, boys, so I actually hit on my computer account, which is super dope right here. So here we go, guys. Here is the dub right there for the Philly SBs right there. Hopefully you guys can see them, but we got them. I'll check red size right now so we can just, see that. But dub right there for your boy. Multiple accounts helps, man. And there we go, boys, right there. Size 12 men's right there. Big dub right there so you guys can see. Of course, we've been hitting a lot recently, and I always recommend using proxies, multiple accounts in a computer, using those proxies. And basically, what I did for this drop in particular is I set my proxies, right, and then I removed them. So basically what I did is I spoofed my location temporarily, and I then removed that location, or that temporary spoofing. I don't know what this fly is doing. Get off my screen, bro. Go. Man, it's nasty, bro. I should clean my screen. But yeah, win. So as you guys can see by the title of this video, of course I put the live cop at the start and all that. I may have, hopefully I did, I don't remember. I don't know how I'm gonna edit this video, we're not at that point yet, but you guys saw that, we took that dub there. But again, I'm gonna explain to you guys now. Shout out my guys at grailcaviar as always. I know that man's running a one-person team, so shout out Dill as always, man, he works hard. And yeah, basically this is kind of how I get a lot of sneakers under market at retail prices, is because he constantly drops deals. For example, here's this size 8 pair of military blacks. I will show you all right there. Size 8. You can see this is the military black box. I paid $265 for these, and market is consistently sitting between $310, $320. I might be able, even locally, be able to get a sale for $330. It wouldn't surprise me. But you guys can see this is a very, very valuable shoe, and you guys can see we got that right here, 100% authentic right there. So you guys can see that. And this is again another way that I really tend to do. They have weekly drops on Whatnot, on their Instagram, different places like that, and I tend to go there to look for deals, and I found a lot of them. I mean, shoot, they right now are sending me a pair that I bought of LaMelo balls, those in a size 11.5, but those LaMelo ball Puma collab, the purple ones. Here's what I'll pop it up right now, but here's what a size 11.5 is going for. I paid $165 for those on Whatnot. So he says, stuff ships no matter what. I already saw it, it's en route, so they're dropping weekly deals just like that, and that's kind of how it works. They're kind of a $40 monthly fee. And I just want to mention, this isn't like a promotional thing. I'm not getting any discounts for this. I participate in the group and participate in drops as anybody else would. You guys can ask. I mean, I'm there in the live streams, all that, being active, and I participate just as everyone else would. I have the fair chance as everyone else would. I don't get any sort of special advantage or treatment. I just thought I'd kind of mention that and point that out. But that's really one way. And here's another thing too right here. You guys can see this is a pair of size 12 Champ Reds right here, damaged box, and I can hopefully open this just to kind of show you all. But yes, pair of size 12 Champ Reds right there, so you all can see that. I paid $165 for these. Market is consistently sitting for dead stock pairs at $225, $230. I could probably even get a sale for $240, but I've already sold that pair right there. So that's just again me showing you another way that I get deals right there is through grailcaviar, and I use it weekly. They have drops every week, again, Whatnot and Instagram, and I use those to my advantage, and that's how I get a lot of these sneakers at under market and retail deals. And I mean, it's kind of been like a weekly thing for me. I've been focusing in on it a lot more recently, and just shout out to them. I definitely want to get grailcaviar in on my Discord. I got coming soon, so stay tuned for that. Again, I've been mentioning that I'm in the works heavily on that. I'm so close to being done with it, and I'm very excited to release that to you guys. It's going to be affordable, $30 or $35 monthly, and it's we're not going to plan on raising the price ever. Really, that's not what we want to do. We want to keep it consistent, kind of a lower price, and something good that is beneficial to people for less. Have shock drop info, all that. Like, we're going to really load that Discord up, and I'd love to give grailcaviar a section on my Discord to kind of promote their stuff weekly, so you guys cannot forget about their drops. I'm going to ask if Dill wants that. So I mean, if Dill's watching this, I would love to get you in on my Discord, man. And just once we have that kind of more in route, I mean, I can add that section today and we can get you in on that. I'd love to have him promoting his stuff once my Discord opens, so he can kind of be in there and kind of promote his drops to you guys, so you can again not miss out on those deals. I love grailcaviar, again, I've used it for a long time, and shout out to them, man. I mean, they're right now at 20,000 followers. I've been following them, I think, since around 6K, 8K, something like that. So I've been there for a while, and yeah, I appreciate them. Thank you, Dill. And yeah, this is dope. So really, again, just showing y'all more kind of deals that we've been getting. $265 for military blacks. That's already $50, $60 profit. I mean, that one cop alone for military blacks covers the whole monthly fee and leaves me like $10, $15 profit. I mean, shoot, if I sold it locally for $350 and I paid $265, monthly fee is $40 for grailcaviar. I mean, you know what I mean? It's a great system. So I appreciate them. Thank you. And it's just, again, another method that I kind of use, and I thought I'd mention it to you guys. Don't forget, there's always other ways, and that's just kind of what I wanted to mention. So shout out grailcaviar, and shout out Snkrs earlier for giving me dub on the that dub right there on the Philly SBs. I saw how those are doing. Pretty happy about that. Market's very solid. But we'll just kind of head into the outro. Everything I need to mention there. I'll link grailcaviar at the top. I'll try and remember to do that, and just go check them out if y'all want to. I'm always there for the drops, so you can always hit me up. But yeah, that's everything I really need to mention there. If you guys want more content like this, I can do more Snkrs live cops. Let me know if y'all want this, because this is kind of the first time I've done a Snkrs live cop in a while, and well, it went pretty good, so I'm totally willing to do more. There's no problem with that. Again, subscribe and like for more content like this. Like goal. I didn't even put one. Let's just try and hit 300 though. I'll put it right and pop it up at the start. And yeah, I'm pretty excited that we took that dub today. I was able to show you all what grailcaviar is, because I've been getting a lot of DMs about it, and I thought I would just kind of explain it to you guys, since they've been doing a lot for me. I mean, they let me participate in their drops, and just kind of consistently go for them, and I think that's something that's dope. And yeah, thanks to them as always. So that's really all I need to say. And I don't know why I keep saying them, because grailcaviar is run by one guy. So just, I appreciate you. Thank you. And yeah, that's everything that really needs to be said. So check me out down below. If you leave your questions, comments, concerns, if you're maybe confused about how I hit today, don't forget the key is using many accounts. I didn't use a lot of accounts today, but I mean, I still was, going to different accounts I don't normally try and attempting to enter. So I always recommend just kind of expanding and, trying different things. But that's everything that needs to be mentioned. So I'm Tristan. Thank you guys as always. And hopefully I will catch you all in the next video, because I would love to see you there. And let me know if you join grailcaviar, because they have a lot to offer, and they're doing a drop soon and whatnot, so stay tuned for that. But that's it. I'm Tristan, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video. Leave your questions, comments, concerns all down below. And I know I already said subscribe, so yeah, that's it. Peace.